Starting a tire shop, especially one that capitalizes on the burgeoning market for recycled tires, is both a lucrative and environmentally conscious business idea. From market research to online marketing, here's an epic journey into launching your tire shop business, complete with a sprinkle of real-time insights and tips for success. In the grand tapestry of the automotive world, tires are the unsung champions, tirelessly treading across the varied landscapes of our aisles. Launching a tire shop, especially one that champions recycled tires, isn't merely opening a business, it's aligning with a vision for a greener future, a testament to resilience and innovation. Step 1. Laying the foundation, comprehensive market analysis. Your journey begins with a deep dive into market research. This critical phase involves understanding the specific demands within your locale for tires, with a particular focus on the burgeoning market for recycled tires. Identify your niche, study your competitors, and discern the unique needs of your target customers. Step 2. Charting the course. Strategic business planning. Armed with knowledge, the next step is to meticulously draft your business plan. This blueprint should detail your vision, encompassing everything from startup costs, pricing strategies, to an extensive marketing plan. It's your guiding light, ensuring you remain steadfast on the path to success. Step 3. Navigating the legal seas, ensuring compliance. The realm of business compliance is your next frontier. Deciding whether to operate as a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or a corporation will influence every aspect of your business, from liability to taxation. Each structure offers different protections and responsibilities, and it's crucial to align this choice with your long-term business vision. Step 4. Amassing the war chest, financing your venture. Securing adequate funding is paramount. This stage is about gathering the resources required for initial investments and operational expenses. Explore various financing avenues, from personal savings to bank loans, ensuring you have a robust financial foundation to support your business as it grows. Step 5. Claiming your territory, location selection. The choice of location is a strategic decision that can significantly impact your shop's visibility and accessibility. Opt for a site that not only promises high footfall, but also resonates with the ethos of sustainability and convenience for your clientele. Step 6. Arming the fort, sourcing and equipment. For a tire shop, especially one focused on recycling, forging strong relationships with reputable suppliers is key. Equip your shop with the latest in tire fitting, balancing, and alignment technology, ensuring you're well prepared to meet the needs of both new and recycled tires efficiently. Step 7. Assembling the crew, recruitment and training. Your team is your most valuable asset. Focus on hiring experienced individuals with a passion for automotive excellence and a shared vision for sustainability. Training them, especially in the unique aspects of handling recycled tires, ensures unparalleled service and expertise. Step 8. Lighting the beacon, digital presence and marketing. In the digital age, a compelling online presence is non-negotiable. Craft a digital strategy that encompasses a user-friendly website, robust social media engagement, and perhaps an e-commerce platform for online sales. Utilize SEO to ensure your shop ranks prominently for tire-related searches in your area, becoming a digital lighthouse for those in need of your services. Embarking on the venture of opening a tire shop, particularly one that specializes in the recycling and sale of tires, represents a bold step towards a sustainable future. It's an endeavor that promises not just financial rewards, but also a significant contribution towards reducing environmental impact. As you navigate through the steps from inception to launch, remember this is more than a business. It's a commitment to pioneering a sustainable path in the automotive industry. As you stand at the threshold of this venture, let your tire shop be more than a mere establishment. It should emerge as a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and a beacon of change in the automotive landscape. This journey, though filled with challenges, is a noble pursuit, marking your contribution towards a greener tomorrow. Here's to the road ahead. May it be as enduring and reliable as the tires that tread it.